My name is Leo, and my wife's name is Evelyn Abadikian, and we've been around Fresno for a long time. And of course, one thing about here is when you come here to shop, if you can't find it here, you probably won't find it anywhere. So that's the really a good sign when you walk into the doors here that you're probably going to find what you want.
Chances are.
Yeah.
And how do you find the customer service and everything?
And customer service is unbelievable. They go out of your way to try to help you find what you're looking for. This building, of course, goes back, and I'm going to be 73 years old not too long.
Uh-oh.
And so I've been around quite a while, and this business has been here for 60 plus years now, and so they certainly are interested in the community, and they were here when the town was developing.
Yeah.
And they were here prior to the development.
And
So
chances
that's
are, whatever you're looking for, you probably will
Yep.
find it here.
Yep, that's for sure.
Yeah.